Hey guys, I am favouritepixels and how create you pencil effect in Photoshop. Let's get started now. So first go copy the layer, Ctrl J and select you image C shortcut is and
Everything I do so instinctive,
click OK
every word I move so descriptive,
and
like an adjective. I got a vendetta
W
against people who being negative when you
select you cube
I got over facts over
select
tracks
tool
and that spit slow
shortcut key
fast I
W
could roast
and
think I'm okay and
right
that's but I
click
don't know if that can
paddle
erase all the past and the
select your
pettiness
2%
reflection of the
opacity
emptiness
is okay
you're with my time
control M
because you are behind
and
inferior you know I'll always be
click
inferior
OK
get off of me this ain't no humble
go to
you to hear words
filter
say them back you to
alt
from the chains
right click
to believe in what you got
left click mine and select your opacity that is okay okay click ok and go to color solid color and blue that is pan colors maybe dark blue click ok and light alter that click that is movie filter effect so that is so good amazing and that is good maybe is lit that is really good and so again
make yourself and stop
opacity minus nahi, opacity 100% and control J again control shift E mother layer and go to filter again alter light click sorry my bad light click that is my voice so noisily and again movie poster that is movie poster maybe I hope you enjoyed that video and please guys subscribe on favorite pixel and please complete the 5,000 subscribers and I hope you enjoyed that video and
no I don't take
I
shit
hope you noted that video and please subscribe on favorite pixel please guys and
I'ma show up
supporting for favorite pixel and anytime any please guys thank you for watching me and thank you for supporting me anytime. So again, the weather is 28% minus and bland 90%. Textful is 20% and creative 21% and that is good. Really, that is really good. So maybe it's good. I hope you enjoyed that and that. Please guys subscribe on favorite pixel and complete the 5,000 subscribers. Please guys, please guys. And thank you for watching and thank you guys supporting me anytime, any where and thank you guys, thank you. 1 second. Click OK. 1 second. That is okay. Click OK and boom. Wow. Really, that is so. Maybe that video movie poster fact and please try again. Try you guys please and that is so simple guys and Please guys subscribe on favorite pixel and supporting for every time favorite pixel and complete the 5,000 subscriber and thank you guys supporting me and I really like this and please guys subscribe on favorite pixel and thank you for voting me and love you guys. Thank you guys.